Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another inexpensive case unboxing and first impressions for the Samsung Galaxy M20. So, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the BestAlice full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright, now as I always do, I've already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera to make this unboxing experience as easy and convenient as possible. Now, I usually like to start out by talking about the packaging, but this is pretty much your bare bones basic packaging. Nothing but a barcode here, and you know what the product is, a made in China stamp, and then this is just your basic cardboard box here. Alright, now it did come really nicely packaged in one of those styrofoam lined envelopes that Amazon provides. So this was very nicely packaged and it came extremely quickly. So kudos Amazon and kudos BestAlice. But that being said, without further ado, let's crack this box and get into the first impressions. Right? So cracking the box here, you can see we have the case itself right there, and then it looks like they've also included a tempered glass screen protector because we have our wet and our dry wipes and our dust removal stickers. Alright, so good stuff there. Now I may not even use the included screen protector because I already have one on the device, but it's really nice to see that they actually included everything in the box along with the case. Alright, so really good stuff there. Now let's get into the case itself. Right? So taking it out the sleeve here. Throw that sleeve off to the side. You can see it comes with some filler. So let's pop this filler out. And it does come with its own screen protector. Let's see if it's tempered glass. Let me check this real quick. See if that's tempered glass right there. Let me see where the opening is. Alright. Okay, so this is tempered glass right here. Really nice stuff there. So not only do they provide the case, but they also provide a tempered glass screen protector. Really nice touch. Now I'm not even going to use that, so that's probably going to stay in the package. Let's clear the rest of this out, and let's take a good look at the case. Alright. So, here is the case right here for the Samsung Galaxy M20, and it does have a magnetic pad in the middle. So if you got a car mount that's magnetic, this will work with it. And it also comes with a ring as well, so you can use it as a nice little clip-on ring here like so, if you don't want to lose your device. Or it can also double as a kickstand, which is really nice. So good stuff there. I think BestAlice really thought of everything. So we got our shock absorbent padding on the inside, and you can see it's even labeled with Sam M20 on the inside as well. So that's really cool. Alright, and this is supposed to be able to come apart, but I'm wondering if we have to take it apart. Let me see if I could just drop the device in. So let's try this on camera together. Okay, cool. So no disassembly required. So y'all can see it just pops right onto the device. And here we have it. So now there's no doubt about it. My device definitely has full protection. So you can see we have a nice hard shell TPU around the outside. And y'all can see it is screen protector friendly. And we do have a nice raised lip there. Really good stuff there. And full protection for our buttons. Let's check the tactility. Oh yes, still very clicky. Let me hold this up to the mic, see if y'all can hear this. Alright, I don't know how well y'all gonna be able to hear that, but it's very clicky and very responsive. Got a nice raised lip for the camera module, a nice indent for the fingerprint sensor. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. Pops right open. Really good stuff. I really like this case. Good stuff indeed. Now, I can tell y'all already, I am noticing a downside, and that is we don't really have too much grip around the outside of the case. So it does make it a little bit slippery, but we do have full protection. So let's check out the kickstand real quick. So you can see I can rock my device this way. Alright, so if I wanted to do a little quick text, I could do the triple tap to shrink the screen and send a quick text message and use my device one-handed. And or we could flop it out and use it as a kickstand. So landscape orientation, watch a YouTube video. I wonder if I could stand it up as well. Let me see if I can stand it up. It's going to stay standing up here. Alright, so it's not really going to stand up. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it will stand up. So landscape orientation and portrait mode orientation. Really good stuff. Really good stuff indeed. Okay, y'all. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the BestAlice case for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright? You know what? We're going to go ahead and spoil the price on this one as well. I actually was able to pick this one up from Amazon as I did with all the other cases, and I picked it up for $8.99. I'll have the screenshot up in post. So this is the most expensive case that I picked up for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright, but this is also the most full featured case as well. Everything is built in, and it does come with its own very nice edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector. So if you were thinking about just picking up one case, I can probably tell you already, without even putting this through the full review process, that this is probably well worth the money. I mean, $9, why not? And you get everything that you need to fully protect your device. Alright? This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 in 720p resolution with the auto billow wide angle lens attached. All the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Boya BY-MM01 microphone. So as always, please let me know what y'all think of the audio and video quality down below in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. And I got a ton of background noise today, so I do hope that this mic is going to do its job in isolating that noise. And if it doesn't, I do apologize for that background noise, because I do have family visiting for the summer right now. So, you know, you want it to be quiet, but you do the best with what you have. Alright? That being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, as always, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up, especially if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion. That being said, if you guys and gals want to see more content like this, including the full reviews on all the cases that I picked up for the Samsung Galaxy M20, including my full in-depth review for the Samsung Galaxy M20 itself, please also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. As always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where you can pick up a bunch of these accessories for your Samsung Galaxy M20, as well as where you can pick up the M20 itself for some really great prices, all that good stuff will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Got a bunch of phones ringing right now. Peace, everybody.
Perfect.